Option trading can make you feel difficult. Whether you are buying or selling, you often react late to market moves, relying on charts that doesn't reflect real option price behavior, or struggling to manage time TAG effectively. Most traders use spot or future chart to make the decisions. But here is the turn. Option premium moves first, and if you are not reacting to the premium, you are already step behind. That's why in this video we are diving into Quantman's option basket, an industry first feature that finally lets you trade on the option chart using your favorite indicators. You have watched our previous tutorials, you might have seen how to build strategies with the options basket. But today we are taking it further. You will learn precisely how the feature benefits both buyers and sellers, enhance your trades, entries and exits, and overall decision making, and more importantly why you should incorporate into your daily trading routine. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Let's get started by recalling what option basket is. Option basket lets you trade directly on the option chart using indicator, just like you would on the futures or equity chart. That means you are no longer tracking delayed reaction on the spot or future price. You are analyzing and acting based on what matters, the options premium. This opens up real-time insights for traders who rely on technical signals right where the trade happens. Whether you are an option buyer or option seller, the options basket gives you an edge. Now let's start with option buyers. One of the biggest problem option buyers face is premium decay and late signals. Market moves but premium react first before the futures or spot chart. By this time you act on spot chart, you are already lost your best opportunity. With the options basket, you are analyzing real-time option price charts, not the proxies. Now you can add indicators like super trend, RSI, moving average directly on premium chart. It helps you spot easily entries and avoid the late exits, especially when time decay is working against you. Also, buying ITM options like 2 strikes ITM gives you higher delta, meaning the premium reacts faster to market movements with slower time decay. This makes perfect for low momentum market. Now let's talk about sellers. As an option seller, your goal is to profit from time decay or range bound markets. But without the right delta, entries can feel like guesswork. Here is where the option basket changes everything. You can track combined premium charts for multiple leg strategies like straddles, triangles or credit spread. Set conditions based on the total premium value of the entire strategy. You can even add indicators like super trend on the combined premium to get the rule-based entries and exits. Let's take an vertical credit spread as an example. Instead of buying 2 strike ITM call, you can sell the OTM call spread. You make profit even if the market goes sideways because time decay works for you. With options basket, you will know when the spreads are richly priced, giving you more strategic entries and less exposure to breakout risk. As you have seen, the option basket is more than just a feature. It is a shift how traders should approach options. For buyers, it helps with timing, reduces the premium decay and aligns the trade with momentum. For sellers, it enables smarter credit spreads and straddle strategies, all backed by real-time option data. Now it's your turn. Go back to your existing strategy. Backtest them using options basket. See how this single shift can change your trading position. Quantman's option basket is built to empower traders like you with data, speed and structure. Hope this videos find useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.